Look at these bananas, so black, not so good looking, overripe, mushy. These were extra bananas, unconsumed bananas which were lying at home. If you also have such bananas which you eventually throw, please don't throw, and save them, peel them, mash them, and keep it aside. Welcome to Padma's Universe. It's all about food, people, and places. Let's make super healthy, delicious banana pancakes, for which we need an egg. Crack it open into a bowl, and to which we need to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Egg is optional. If you're a vegetarian, please avoid egg. Now to this we need to add 4 tablespoons of curd. You can add low-fat yogurt if you're health conscious, and give it a nice whisk. Now we need to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a big pinch of salt to balance the flavors, and 1 tablespoon of jaggery sugar. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is optional. I'm adding this for flavor. And we need to add the mashed bananas. I'm using 4 mashed overripe bananas here. You can also use fresh bananas, but it has to be ripe preferably. Give this all a good mix. And now time to add flour. I'm using 1 cup of multigrain atta or flour. You can also use whole wheat flour, whole wheat atta. We need to add atta in batches, followed by milk, and then some atta, and then some milk. We will approximately need 1 to 1/4 cup of milk depending on the consistency of the batter, and you can use low fat milk of course. And basically the batter has to be on a thicker side, dropping consistency. It's nice and chunky, and here I'm going to be adding some raisins because we like raisins, kids love raisins. This is optional again. So the batter is ready. Let's start making the pancakes. So I'm going to be using a non-stick pan. You can also use a tawa, and grease it with some oil. You can also use butter. Now it depends on the thickness and the size of the pancake, depends on your preference. So a ladle full of batter onto the tawa, and I'm going to close it with a lid because I feel this makes the pancake cook better. Closing the lid is not necessary of course. We just have to flip it, make sure that it gets cooked well on both the sides. I'm going to apply some butter for flavor. You can also use ghee, clarified butter. I mean, why not? Desi ghee, especially if you're making it for kids, even for yourself. I mean, end of the day, it's all about health and taste. So this pancake has both to offer in abundance. Do make this and watch your kids. For sure, they will love it. And the best part is you can serve this pancake. It's again a versatile this thing. I'm going to be serving it with some pancake syrup. You can serve it with honey. You can serve it with chocolate syrup, fresh cream. I mean, you can just play around. You can eat it like that because if we have used sweetener, natural sweetener of course. Anything and everything goes fine with this pancake. It's an absolute delicacy, best way to feed your kids. It's wholesome. If you serve this for breakfast to your kids, even for yourself, this is going to keep you full for a longer period of time. As I said, you can substitute multigrain atta with whole wheat atta flour. Fantastic. Preferably, please do not use maida. You will find no difference. This will taste equally good or even better for sure. Kids had just come back from school and they gobbled. I mean, they'll feasted on these pancakes. This is a perfect after school snack. And yes, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It's absolutely free. You just have to hit on the subscription button, hit on the bell button, the bell icon. Whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. And I will see you with another interesting episode, another interesting recipe or a vlog. And guys, let me quickly also mention about my son's YouTube channel, Yummy Treats with Yash. I'll give you the link in the description box below. Do check it out. It's all about kids cooking, healthy cooking, exciting cooking. It's all about DIY recipes which your kid can make. So both my boys host this channel and they make interesting, exciting, healthy recipes. So this channel is all about kids cooking for the kids by the kids. Do check it out. I will share the link in the description box below. So next time, don't throw your overripe bananas. Give it a healthy, yummy makeover. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.